Hello people, welcome to Reparatur. Today we have something really interesting. This is a Yeti PC microphone from Logitech. This piece here is really nice PC microphone. It's really sturdy, but it has a broken USB port. So guy went to an official reseller and asked to get it repaired, was declined. So we're gonna give it a try and see if we can actually save this micro, because it's brand spanking new. It was used 2 times and sadly the cable snapped the port. Yeah, let's go with the disassembly. This is the broken connector. We're gonna check it out and see if we can find a replacement. So basically we still have the same shape, same placement, so it shouldn't be any problem. It should work. I'm gonna go ahead, find the cable and test it with you. So I have the microphone connected. It's a short cable but still enough to test. So in devices it is recognized as Yeti stereo microphone, and we have an online tool for testing. So if I'm silent and if I say something, test, it's recording the sound. So I'm happy with this, and see you in the next video. If you have some interesting devices that need to be fixed, let us know and contact us on Instagram, Facebook, on our website. So check the Pro Reparatur. We are in Graz, Austria. We will be happy to give you help. Bye bye.